nuts. I was going to ask them if they can blast it again for me because my hand is swelling again.
I believe there was supposed to be, but you guys keep saying Sunday.
Nah, Sunday.
Okay, but we'll let them know that we did fast it.
Is this on?
Maybe you're not supposed to.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we're just talking about how like this morning mom was helping me with my wound, like, you know, rechanging the plaster, and there was so much goo coming out, so we decided to, like, you know, press on it and maybe try and squeeze the goo out, but we realized that maybe that was a wrong idea. But this is our second appointment and we are just going there now, so hopefully maybe I could ask one of the ladies if they could, like, you know, try and squeeze it again, because
How are you feeling?
it feels tight.
Can you pull the window up, please? Because there's no window.
It feels really tight.
Is it? So it has collected again.
Yeah, I'm thinking that too, yeah.
And I'm driving.
And mom's driving and Zaire is over there.
Hi, pal.
Dad, I hope you're recording.
Yeah, I'm fine.
And you're not recording the ceiling.
I know, right?
No. No, it's okay.
But yeah, so we are going over there now. Time for my next dose.
They did exactly the same as they did this morning as well. Right, that'll do just now. Keep that on you. That's a very good parking.
Guys, am I skinny enough? Not skinny enough. So that's a car I should drive when I'm 17, guys.
Yeah.
A Jaguar. That's such a typical car for teenagers. And
Yeah?
you know, that's a typical car.
Have you locked it? You're struggling out there, I think.
That's his problem.
Well, then you will do it. You reverse.
No, because you'll need that space to get out. It might be up by the time.
Afternoon.
Okay.
Give me the car keys just in case I need to.
Let's go later.
I'm just going to hang out here with him.
You don't want to see the process?
No, I've seen it before.
Oh, this water bottle spilled on me.
Bring him here.
By the way, I wanted to mention when we were redoing, when my mom was helping me change my plaster, I asked her if she could squeeze because like some of the glue was coming out.
Yeah,
So
that's quite a lot.
Did you squeeze?
Yeah.
Because it's okay. But the problem, did you make sure it finishes?
no.
I did my best to make sure.
Because ideally, in the wound, like this one, for you to confirm that passes out, that blood. For you to confirm that passes out, you should squeeze until you start seeing blood. Because ideally, the pass is the dead cells. You're supposed to squeeze them out. So when you start receiving blood, it means the dead cells are out. Finished until maybe they're really okay.
But you see the hole, it was not
Blood
big
didn't
enough.
come, yeah? It's okay, we're going to check it.
It was not big enough for us to squeeze everything out, so I think you need to open it more.
Okay. How is the pain?
It's stiff. It's not really much pain, but it's really stiff.
How about when you were squeezing it? Was she in so much pain?
Yeah, I was in a lot of pain.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to also reopen and see. After first getting out the medication.
Thank you.
Let me get a seat for you.
I hate hearing kids cry.
I know, it's quite sad. They're going to inject me again with The juice.
Those are antibiotics.
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 Anti.
It's not anti.
Guys, what is it? Antibiotics. Antibiotic. I don't know.
How do you say it? How do you say it?
It's antibiotics.
Antibiotics.
Anti. But you're saying
Because
anti.
you have a weird accent, that's why. Antibiotics.
If you're in pain, you tell me.
It feels weird, guys. Here we go.
That's too long. That's not.
Nah, I'm showing you the hairstyle, but I'll show you
No,
bob.
that's too much. You'll be too hot.
What?
Yeah.
What on earth?
It will make you too hot.
These people live in America, which is way hotter than this. This is the girl with the bob. She's so pretty.
They have winter.
We have
I
winter.
think it's nice.
This is
Like the
nice.
bob.
Let me save this one. The bob is nice.
It'll be too hot.
But what do you guys think? Do you think I'll look good with bob hair? Like a bob?
Yeah, you will.
I'm thinking more of maybe this length in case the bob doesn't work out.
That's not bad either. But that's a lot of hair for a hot country. You'll be too hot.
Mom, I think I'll survive. I've seen people with a lot of hair too.
Too hot. See, even like with my hair, I'm sure even with that one you get hot spells.
Not really.
How you feel?
Weird. Very weird.
That's because you're weird too.
So that's the second. That's the 2 p.m.
room to pass.
No, he's going to move. So that's the 2 p.m. She got another intravenous antibiotic. She got her dressing changed. Did they squeeze anything more out, Tia? No, they didn't, because they're going to leave that. We need to get back for 10 o'clock tonight, and then we need to get back to the same performance again on Monday, on Saturday, and then apparently we have to get back on Sunday morning to get the all clear. I'm not sure if that's the case. We'll just confirm that. But it's all paid for what it's worth.
Wait, what?
She's serious.
Mom, are you able to pass there?
I don't know. No,
She doesn't know.
Our car is very long.
Can she not go?
Are you able to move more in front?
Just another foot.
She's not able to. Because
Aye, yes, she can move another foot.
but on the other side, Tia, go and see on the other side.
And the car parking's a nightmare here as well too. People are shuffling cars around. It's just a nightmare.
Wait, she's reversing.
She should just reverse and go back there.
It's just an absolute nightmare, to be honest.
Our car is too.
You're okay, you're okay.
Even there at the corner.
Yes, you're fine.
Yeah,
Thank you.
KK's doing really well. Just don't take this too sharp either. There's a big drain in the right here. Right. Yeah. Well done. You're okay. You're okay. But anyway, yeah, so that's it. So that's the second out of 3 today. We need to get back again at 10 o'clock tonight. It'll be quiet at 10 o'clock tonight, I would imagine. Watch this guy.
Tia, you don't throw rubbish at a roundabout.
No, for God's sake.
Oh,
Don't throw rubbish at all. You wouldn't do that in the UK.
I know, but it's so normalized here.
I know, but that's what we're trying to change. Because I'm with the anti-litter police now. I've joined them, all right?
How is the place supposed to get any better if you're still not looking after it?
Exactly. Especially people coming from the UK should know better.
Actually, yeah, I should know.
I know. Anyway, you've learnt your lesson there. You're fine.
Guys, the first little gate is getting installed. These guys are trying to find a way to make it one with the wall. This is my first time seeing a gate being installed. Have you ever seen a gate being installed? Have you?
Various times.
Various, huh? Oh, this is my first time. Oh yes, you guys, I'm sorry I didn't show you. They've been painted, but this is not the final color. This is just the undercoat. Huh? No, I want to catch this one.
There is nothing happening here. Most of the work is being done from the inside.
From the inside? Yeah, okay, let's go inside. I show you. All of these ones have been painted. The big one, the main one. These ones. These guys are hammering it in. This is why we can't bring Zai to the site. Dust, noise. Look at them breaking my wall. It was a very expensive wall. So now they have to cement it.
Yeah.
When one person is holding. It looks good. TK squad, these are the stairs. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know if you can see it. But they look nice. They will be easy to clean, in the sense of you can see the dirt. I think let me turn this way. You'll be able to see properly. That's how it looks like. Oh, it's very pretty. With this one, they did put the skirting, but this skirting, it looks shifted. Wait, this one has shifted. Oh, why did they skip this stair? They skipped this one. But it looks good. I don't want to go up anymore. I'll just stay here. Alright, no, but it's telling me there's something different at the top. So let's go on. Oh, okay. This is nice. These guys are now plastering in the gate, so by tomorrow it might be functioning. We'll be able to open and close, open and close. Oh, it's so windy.